Today, we will talk about how to get on Property Brothers. Let's have a look at the details. Property Brothers is a popular home improvement show based in Canada. Drew and Jonathan Scott work with home buyers on a budget, helping them to buy and renovate, fixer-uppers. Here's what you need to know about getting on the show. The first step is make plans. Set your budget. You will be responsible for the entire cost of the project. Before you proceed, you need to know how much money you can afford to spend and have the financing in place. You can have the money yourself or you can gain access to the funding through bank loans, but either way, you will need to have enough money to set aside for buying and fixing a home. Determine an overall budget and let the Scott brothers guide you from there. For instance, if you can afford to spend $75,000 total, prepare this basic figure without worrying about how much to set aside for buying the house and how much to set aside for renovating it. The show's hosts will be able to help you with those figures. Budgets usually range anywhere from $50,000 to $200,000. The Scott brothers usually finish on budget, but they have been known to go several $1,000s over budget on rare occasions. Know what you want. Determine what you hope to find when searching for a new home. Classify which features are must-haves, and which features you can afford to compromise on. Make a list of important features, including everything from location to individual room size. The more you know about what your ideal home would look like, the closer you can get to achieving it. Know what to expect. Prepare yourself for what the Scott brothers might require of you. The second step is applying to the show. Check for casting calls. You can check the show's social media pages for the latest news concerning the acceptance of applications. The Property Brothers Facebook page is the best place to check for current news about casting. Check under the About section of the page for information about whether or not the show is currently accepting applications. Contact the show. Email the show's producers with as much information concerning your situation as possible. Submissions should be sent to propertybrothers@cineflix.com. Include your name and basic contact information, including phone number, email address, and current home address. Describe your current situation and why you want to be on the show. You might be a young couple with a growing family in need of more space, or you could be a retired couple looking to downsize into something more manageable. You need to describe your circumstances to the best of your ability. In other words, plead your case. Show some enthusiasm. In order to be chosen for the show, you will need to show considerable personality and dedication. Watch out for special opportunities. Sometimes, Property Brothers will put out a casting call for those who are only interested in updating their current home rather than those who are looking to buy. These opportunities are rarer, but they might make it possible for you to get help on an even tighter budget than usual. And, the third step is after the application process. Wait to be contacted. If you are chosen for the show, the producers will contact you. Oftentimes, you will hear back from the show within a week if they are interested. On occasion, though, it could take a couple of months before you get a reply. Response time mostly depends on the number of applicants. Understand your commitment. You will likely be asked to sign a contract before appearing on the show. You are completely responsible for the cost of buying your home and renovating it. You will not need to pay the Scott brothers, however, nor will you need to contribute to their travel expenses. Reapply, if necessary. If you were not chosen for the show during the application round you took part in, you can try again. Consider why your previous application may not have been successful before reapplying. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.